how to balance left and right sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on Hearing Enhancement, you will see left and right sound balances here. So if you want to balance right and left sound, and you will see connected autos is here. So if you want to balance, so you will set sound from here. After balance, go back to home screen. So that's how you can balance left and right sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.